Welcome to TradeScanner AI, your smart trading assistant designed to save time, enhance clarity, and make data-driven decisions easy. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create an account, subscribe, access the platform, and use the TradeScanner's AI assistant to level up your trading strategy. Getting started is simple. Go to TradeScanner.ai, tap Join, and create your account. Enter your full name, date of birth, gender, and email address. Set a password. Check the Terms and Conditions box. Then hit Create Account. Verify your email by entering the 6-digit code sent to your inbox. Choose the plan that fits your trading style. Enter your credit card details to finalize your subscription purchase. Once your subscription is active, log into your dashboard to unlock the full power of the AI assistant. Inside the dashboard, the AI assistant is your chart guide. Upload any chart, stocks, Forex, or crypto, and it explains trend versus range, key levels, and momentum. Then it provides educational examples of stops, targets, and alternate scenarios you can apply to all your trades. Everything is designed to help you understand the market and trade with more clarity. Open the trading platform you normally use for stocks or crypto. Select the exact instrument you're trading. For example, if you're trading Bitcoin, choose BTC. If it's a stock or another cryptocurrency, select that specific symbol. Switch to the 1-hour time frame and take a clean screenshot of the 1-hour chart, then save it. Return to TradeScanner, open the AI assistant, and upload that 1-hour image. Go back to your trading platform. Switch to the 4-hour time frame, capture a second screenshot the same way, and upload that image to TradeScanner as well. Using the AI assistant is as easy as typing a question. For example, you can ask, I am sharing the 1-hour and 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. The price now is $116,549. Give me a trade setup. In seconds, the AI provides clear, actionable insights that helps you make smarter trading moves. The AI will read both charts together, identify trend or range, call out key levels, and return an educational example, including where a textbook stop might live if the idea fails, how targets could be framed, and alternate scenarios so you're prepared, not predicting. TradeScanner.ai accelerates market analysis, reduces human error, and strengthens your trading decision processes. Apply its insights as educational guidance within your own strategy and risk parameters.